it's really business now, and
Yeah,
and
it's tough.
oh
Not as
yeah,
fun as it used to be. I don't think for a lot of coaches. I think it's a little more draining than it maybe used to be, but it's kind of how the world is. Everyone just kind of slowly got to adjust and figure out the next move. And I just hope at some point it slows down a little bit, especially at that level, and kids get back to coming in and graduating the class they came in with, and we're losing a lot of that right now, which kind of sucks because, I think there's a lot to say about, just lifelong relationships you create when you're at one or even two schools. You know what I mean? It's just when you're at four,
yeah,
you lose a lot of that.
right. And the school pride thing.